Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to join in a Google Meet meeting via your Android device. So at first, you need to open up Google Meet via your app, or you can even use Gmail as this feature is already in there too. So after you are in this page, you need to click on join with a code. After clicking on that, you need to have the code that the person that has invited you has sent. It can be a code or the link you can paste here. The code for me right now is RWRYWPQKZDWF. I did not have my code sent, so I typed it manually, and after clicking on the join button, you'll be inside the meeting or in this page. So in this page, you can test your mic, your camera, and if you want to join in with your mic and camera on, you can simply click on join. And if you don't want that to happen, you need to turn off your camera by clicking on this camera roll button. And if you want to turn off your mic as well, you click on this. If you simply want to join in your meeting now, you click on the blue button where it's written join. And if you want to join in by sharing your screen or presenting, you click on the share screen button. I've already taught you guys how to share screen, so please do check out that video right down in the description below. So I'm going to teach you how to join in now. You click on this join in and you're inside the meeting. So as you can see, there are many options. You can click on this triple dot, and here are many options such as in call messages. So if you click any messages here, everyone in the meeting can see. This is one of the feature, and the other feature is the share screen. I've already taught this one, and the show captions button where they will show the caption which is auto generated by Google and other people speaking. You can see the captions as well. You can even report the problem or even settings. Click on settings and there will be many options here such as video, general, and captions. So if you are done with the meeting, or if you don't want to continue the meeting again, you can click on the red button and this will make you leave the call. So just clicking this, you are out of the call, out of the meeting, and you'll land on the home page again. So if you want to rejoin the meeting that you just left, it will be on this one. So after you click on rejoin, you'll be inside. You need to repeat the same process again, and I want to turn off my camera and my microphone, and after you click inside all over again. So if you want to turn on your microphone, you click on this. So as you can see, the echo that just popped up from my laptop. So after you click on the microphone or the camera button, you'll be done. So I believe I've taught you guys how to join in a meeting via your Android device. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.